Use of in, on, under. In, on, under are used to show the location of a person or thing. Use of in. A bird is in the nest. A boy is in a car. A cat is in a tub. A fish is in an aquarium. Tea is in the cup. Water is in the bottle. Ice is in the glass. Use of on. A hen is on a mat. A bird is on a tree. A book is on the table. A girl is on the sofa. A dog is on the log.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.